In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off Do Not Disturb focus mode on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. And actually, when you are on a Do Not Disturb focus mode, you may not receive notifications from your contacts or from your apps. So if you just wanted to turn it off, you need to swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to go to the control center. As you can see, this half moon icon is highlighted now and it says Do Not Disturb on here. It means that Do Not Disturb focus mode is now active. To turn it off, just tap right here. If it says focus, it means that default focus mode is active now. Besides the focus and Do Not Disturb mode, there are another focus modes here. If we long press here, it will show us all the focus modes here, and we can in any time activate any focus mode. And also, if you would like to configure Do Not Disturb or any other focus mode, you can easily do so from the settings. I'm going to show you from the beginning. So first off, head over to settings. Then tap at focus, and that's where we can find all our focus modes. We can configure any of them if we get into it. And also in here, by tapping at that plus, we can create new one. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.